So let's run through using a coupon on a gift certificate that can then be redeemed on the yoga class, right? So let's go for the whole thing. So I'm going to go to the link to schedule. Oh, well, I'll go to my scheduling page, which is paulnicholson.as.me, and we're going to buy yoga for a friend. So someone's going to come to your scheduling, buy a gift. So this is test 2030. Test 2030. Note to business. This is for my dad. Right. Quantity 1, and then it was the coupon was yoga free. Right. Update it. Should zero out the price, which it has. Complete the order. Yoga for free. Discount applied. Here's your schedule, here's your gift certificate. So if you go to here, we can print it off, give it to a friend. Your certificate code is here. Or they can just schedule it. So you're going to get an email. I've got an email to say somebody has ordered something off me. And did the purchase test 30. So this is to me. Customer's going to get an email eventually. I'm not sure if it's coming to my junk. Because I'm using, oh no, let's have a look. No, that's my email. Where's the email? It's going to come through that you've purchased it. I think this is to me. Here we go. Have I got anything? Oh, somebody signed up for my training, right? I'm not going to click on any of that. But at some point, an email will come through that someone you can then forward on, or you can print this off and your friend can schedule an appointment, right? So you can click schedule. It just says sign up, so it doesn't say log in or anything like that, because it knows it's come from that appointment type. We're going to click sign up. Let me just see. Where's the email come? Did I type my name in right? Paul Nicholson. Yeah, I did. Not sure how long it takes the email to come through. None of them are somebody signing up for my training. Oh man, whenever you're not doing these live videos, they come through straight away. The minute you go live, there's a bit of a delay. Anyway, so they would just go sign up. Test 2032. Test 2032. Here's the code, which was on the email or was on the print the certificate, right? So that's the way you're going to enter it. Complete appointment, and your friend, family member, my dad in this case, has now signed up to 6 weeks of yoga at 9 o'clock on a Wednesday morning. If I go back to the calendar, you see now before it said 0 of 20, now there's 1 of 20 in that class. Has it come through now? Oh, yeah, here we go. So here's the appointment. So that's the appointment that I've just booked that has gone through. I'm not sure where the email went of the certificate. I'm pretty sure it's set up, but there seems to be an email missing, doesn't there? That is, here's your gift certificate. Might be my settings, but we can go through that in training if you are having problems with it. But now the person has booked in, signed up, and is in that 6-week class.